We did touch on the different factors that play a huge role in live shopping. We talked about building the stage, we talked about the host, we talked about the software you're working with, and obviously the products are super crucial. If you had to pick one of those parameters, though, that you can focus on to make a live shopping event as successful as possible, which one would you emphasize on?
In terms of quality versus authenticity, or
In terms of actual results, in terms of conversion and the revenue generated from it.
yeah. So yeah. Let me start by making a little bit of a bigger picture, and maybe we can zoom in then, Moritz, because I
Please.
think it's, the reason why we're working in two pillars, marketing and program. Then of course we also have a third one, the production. But it's not a part of the process. It's just because we want to make sure that we do it the right way. But the reason why we as an agency work within these two or three fields, all of them, and has the responsibility and the overview inside all of them, is basically just because, talking about marketing, of course, we want to make sure that what we plan in our program is also sort of shown in our marketing in the right way. And also the other way around. What we tell in our marketing should also be showed in our program. And what we plan in our program should also be produced in the way that we market it and planned it in our program. So all of these things work together. And that's actually my entire point, that you need to look at it as not a quick fix. You cannot just do this thing or this thing or this thing. It needs to work together. And yeah, it needs to be one experience, both before, during, and basically also after. That said, I think the picture about having a pop-up shop is quite fine. Actually, because if you had a little web shop, right, and you would like to do a physical pop-up store, you maybe rented a little store in some corner of the city, but you would also do everything you could to make people know that it is at this point, at this time, this exactly address. Why should they come? That's because you have some great products. There's a great guy in the store selling these products that you can talk to, tell about your brand. It's just to say that you need to do this right. It's not a quick fix. It's like if you were about to do events, physical events, in the real world, you would do everything you could to make a good experience. And this event experience you need to create in a digital manner. Maybe now I've told a lot of things. Maybe you can zoom in on some things and just test me whether what is most important, because it's really hard for me to point out one thing, because it is really all of them.
I understand that it takes a holistic approach and you can't just pick one of the factors. I think that's also what makes live shopping so fascinating, that it is this whole almost science behind it, and all the different pieces of the puzzle matter equally.